Getting a six-pack is a common fitness goal, and achieving it doesn't necessarily require a gym membership. With the right exercises, dedication, and consistency, you can work towards sculpting your abdominal muscles from the comfort of your home. Here are 5 effective six-pack abs workouts designed for beginners, each focusing on different aspects of core strength. Stay till the end because last one is a game changer. So let's get started. 1. Crunches. Crunches are a classic abdominal exercise that targets the upper abs. They are simple yet highly effective for beginners looking to build foundational core strength. To perform a crunch, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head but avoid pulling on your neck. Lift your upper back and shoulders off the ground by engaging your core, then lower yourself back down. The key is to focus on using your abdominal muscles to lift your torso, not your neck or shoulders. Consistency with crunches can help define the upper portion of your abs. Start with sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, ensuring you maintain proper form to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness. 2. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic exercise that works both the upper and lower abs as well as the obliques. To begin, lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted off the ground, bent at a 90-degree angle. As you crunch up, twist your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg straight. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion, aiming for a smooth and controlled movement. This exercise not only helps in defining the abs but also improves rotational core strength and stability. Start with 15 to 20 repetitions per side, focusing on maintaining a controlled and steady pace. 3. Plank. The plank is a powerful isometric exercise that engages the entire core, including the abs, back, and shoulders. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position while keeping your core tight and ensuring your hips don't sag or lift too high. Planks are excellent for building core endurance and stability. For beginners, aim to hold the plank position for 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration as your strength improves. Planking regularly can significantly enhance overall core strength, which is essential for achieving defined ABs. 4. Leg raises. Leg raises are particularly effective for targeting the lower abs, a common trouble area for many beginners. To start, lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Place your hands by your sides or under your hips for support. Keeping your legs straight, lift them towards the ceiling until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Slowly lower them back down without letting them touch the floor, then repeat. Leg raises help strengthen the lower abdominal muscles, which are crucial for a balanced six-pack. Begin with sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on slow and controlled movements to fully engage the lower abs. 5. Mountain climbers. Here it is, the 5th exercise we've hinted at as the game changer earlier. Mountain climbers are a dynamic, high-intensity exercise that combines cardio with core strengthening. This exercise not only targets the abs but also provides a full-body workout, increasing your heart rate and burning calories. Mountain climbers are particularly effective because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the shoulders, arms, chest, legs, and core. By incorporating mountain climbers into your routine, you can improve your cardiovascular endurance, agility, and overall body coordination. Start in a plank position with your arms straight and your body in a straight line. Quickly drive your knees towards your chest one at a time, as if you're running in place. Ensure your core stays engaged and your hips remain level throughout the movement. Start with sets of 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration as your fitness level improves. Achieving a six-pack requires a combination of effective abdominal exercises and consistency. The 5 workouts outlined above, crunches, bicycle crunches, planks, leg raises, and mountain climbers, are excellent for beginners aiming to build core strength and sculpt their abs at home. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, focusing on proper form, and progressively challenging yourself, you can work towards a stronger, more defined core. Remember, alongside these exercises, maintaining a balanced diet and overall fitness regimen is crucial for the best results. Stay dedicated, be patient, and enjoy the journey to achieving your six-pack goals. Now you have to know what are the foods to avoid while maintaining six-pack abs, or the foods you must avoid if you don't want a belly fat. Click here to know what are those. See you soon!